Hi everyone, I am Marikanan. My topic is water jet cutting. Water jet machining. Water jet machining is a mechanical energy based on non-traditional machining process used to cut and machine soft and non-metallic materials. It involves the use of high water jet smoothly cut a soft workpiece. During this process, its kinetic energy is converted to pressure energy. This induces a stress on the workpiece. When this induced stress is high enough, unwanted particles of the workpiece are automatically removed. Construction of water jet machining. The apparatus of the water jet machining consists of the following components. Receiver. It is used for stronging water that is to be used to the machining operation. Pump. Pump the water from the receiver. Intensifier. It is connected to the pump. It pressurizes the water accrued from the pump to the desired level. Accumulator. It is used to temporarily stronging the pressurized water. It is connected to the flow regulator through the control valve. It controls the direction and pressure of the pressurized water that is to be supplied to the nozzle. Flow regulator. Flow regulator. It is used to regulate the flow of water. Nozzle. It enters the pressurized water as the water jet high velocity. Working of water jet machining. Water from the receiver is pumped to the intensifier using a hydraulic pump. The intensifier increases the pressure of the water to the required level. Usually the water is pressurized to 200 to 400 megapascal. Pressurized water is then sent to the accumulator. The accumulator temporarily stores the pressurized water. Pressurized water then enters the nozzle by passing through the control valve and flow regulator. Control valve controls the direction of the water and limits the pressure of the water under permissible limits. Flow regulator regulates the controls the flow rate of water. Pressurized water finally enters the nozzle. It expands with the increase in kinetic energy. High velocity water jet is proceeded by the nozzle. When this water jet the workpiece, stress are induced. These stress are used to remove material from the workpiece. The water used in the water jet machining may or may not be used with stabilizers. Stabilizers are substances that improve the quality of water by preventing the fragmentation. Main part of water jet machining. Water jet high pressure pump. The various types of HV pumps utilized are designed to provide sufficient water flow rates at a specific constant pressure, high pressure, to supply single or multiple cutting heads as required. Water jet machine table, catch tank. The material to be cut is placed on the bed of the machine table. Water filled catch tank. The length and width of the table generally determines the maximum travel of the XY motion control system. The maximum XY motion travel will stimulate the cutting window or largest workpiece for the specific table. Our selection of water jet machining system includes cutting windows from 4 feet into 8 feet up to 12 feet into 18 feet. Water jet XYZ motion control. The cutting head is precisely moved around the bed of the machine table to make the desired material cuts. This is controlled by a computer, which, when properly programmed, can instruct the cutting head to move to any area over the machining bed while performing the various functions necessary to provide the desired. Types of water jet machining. There are two types of water cutting process. Pure water cutting, in which the cutting is performed using only an ultra high pressure jet of clean water. Another one, abrasive water jet. Abrasive water jet cutting, in which an abrasive is introduced into the high pressure abrasive water jet. It has an extraordinarily variable stresses. Heat is not generated while cutting. It does not have a mechanical stresses. Abrasive water jet machine have a thin stresses. It is applicable in thin and thick material cutting. While cutting the metal, there will be execute of some wastage materials. The force is very low while cutting the material. There will be little and bar narrow edge of the metal. For all abrasive jet jobs and jet setup enough for applicable. In this water jet machine, there will be a rapidly switch between abrasive to force water jet cutting. Pure water jet. The water stream is very thin. There will be little wastage material while cutting the metal. During cutting, the heat is not generated. The material is relevant to both thin and thick materials. In this material, there will be a fast cutting system. It has executing a low cutting force. The machine is exactly suitable for light and soft material cutting. Application. Water jet machining is used in various industries like mining, automotive and aerospace for performing cutting, shaping and remaining operation. The materials which are commonly machined by water jet are rubber, textiles, plastics, foam, leather, composites, tile, stone glass, food, metals, paper and much more. Water jet is mostly used to cut soft and easy to machine materials such as thin sheets and foils, wood, non-ferrous metallic alloy, textiles, plastic, polymers, leathers, and abrasive water jet machining is typically used to machine those materials which are hard and difficult to machine. It is used to machine thick plates or steel, aluminum and other commercial materials, reinforced plastics, metal matrix and ceramic matrix composites, layered composites, stones glass. Besides the machining process, the high pressure water jet is used in paint removal, surgery, cleaning, cleaning to remove residual stress. Abrasive water jet machining can also be used to perform drilling, pocket milling, tanning and remaining. Thank you.